This is Kandkot, where socio-economic conditions have worsened to an extreme level because of falling employment opportunities and rising poverty. In this area, women equally contribute to their families' earnings. Recently established by Sindh Rural Support Organization, this is a vocational training center in this area where income generation skills are imparted to women folk.
Poverty is high in this area. Mostly women are involved in labor, but civil society organizers have established training centers and sitting arrangements to provide the technical training for reducing the poverty.
Embroidery, tailoring and beautician courses have been introduced at this center, where more and more women are getting the skill development training.
अलावा जेकॾहिं असां जेको सिखूं था उहो असां पंहिंजे घर में वञी उहो कमु हलाईंदासीं शुक्रियो अदा कयूं था सरसवान जा सिद्ध हुकूमतान जो जेको असांखे गुरबत घटाइण में ॾाढी मदद ॾिए थो.
Majority of the poor women in this area are illiterate and lack of vocational skills, and such skill development program, if imported properly, can help boost their incomes.
ये सिखी पंहिंजे घर वञी सिखंदा वञी पंहिंजे घर में टिरो पढ़ींदा महिनत कंदा महिनत सां वञी बसि इन्हनि खे इहो सम्झणु था पंहिंजे जल्द में सिखो.
Mohammad Gyas Khan of Sindh Rural Support Program Consortium says this skill development program actually focuses on those rural women who lack vocational skills through which they can earn money and reduce their poverty.
The program envisages providing vocational training to the unemployed siblings of the households basically that are below the poverty line.
Besides, soft loans on easy installments are also being offered to those who have attended these trainings and want to launch their own small business for boosting their incomes.
Once it is expected that they get training, if they want to start their own businesses, the project would also provide them finance.
Under this Union Council-based skill development program, at least 21,000 unskilled poor men and women will be imparted training in 2 years as a part of the provincial government's poverty reduction program. Those who have benefited through these skill enhancing training programs speaks highly of its economic gains and suggests that such uplift initiatives should be replicated in other parts of the province. Qurban Ali, Dawn News, Kashmir.